We are just currently questioning all of our life choices right now.
Well, this certainly beats the 9 to 5. Taking Charlie for a nice morning walk on probably one of the nicest beaches the UK has. Oh, that wave came in a bit. Yes, absolutely beautiful. We stopped here last night. We stopped in a lay-by a couple of miles up from Durness. Nothing special, just a lay-by on the side of a road, but it was free. Didn't get any bother last night. No traffic noise, which was nice. So yeah, today we're just gonna head back to Durness, get some laundry done, a bit of homeschooling this morning, and then we are going to check out Smoo Cave, which came very highly recommended. It was something we already pointed out. So yeah, that's going to be good. I think that's free to go in. There are tours you can pay for, but they're probably not on this time of year. And something cool where we are is, I don't know what this beach is called, and I don't know if you'll be able to see it. But this is actually where you can do what do they call it? It's the Golden Eagle zip wires. So you can actually zip wire right across the bay here, which I'm thankful is not on at the minute, because it would interrupt my peace and quiet. I've got the whole beach to myself. So I'm enjoying it, Charlie's enjoying it. And Kira's at the van with probably 3 moany children. I think I'll spend another couple of minutes here.
So Richard's just been down to the local spa here in Durness. We needed some change for laundry, but he's also picked up a couple of pies. He's been wanting a Scotch pie for a while now, and he's found one, and it was reduced. It was only 50p, was it?
50p, like a bargain. Like a bargain, but this is no ordinary Scotch pie.
No ordinary
You failed to mention that. This is a Scotch pie with baked beans and mashed potato on top.
And obviously we don't have an oven, so this is Richard's technique.
A frying pan with a lid on.
For heating it up. To be fair though, like, it says like 20 minutes for warming it up in an oven. So I think your chances of getting it warmed up in the pan.
I'm hopeful.
Hopeful.
Don't put pessimistic views on my Scotch pie.
It's not going to work. You want your milkshake?
Me.
You want milkshake?
Yeah.
All right, we'll get you some milkshake. Yeah. Right, so did the technique work? Is it warm first of all?
The outside is warm.
Yeah.
Oh, look at that steam. Look at that.
It's actually...
There you go.
Wow.
Let's see if the middle's warm. It does.
Yeah?
My technique worked. There, she laughed at me. She laughed at me. Oh, she laughed at me.
I just thought it was a bit optimistic, that's all. But now mine's in the pan.
No, that's it.
Although I've got some gravy cooking as well, because I wanted to just level up and have some pie with some gravy, so... is it a good pie?
It's not bad. It's not as good as a normal Scotch pie.
No.
You know, but...
You might need a knife, babe. Like, I know we live in a van, but we do have knives to eat as well.
No, we're savages.
So we've just arrived at Smoo Cave. We've just parked up. Car park's free, so that's good. We know that this is like a proper highlight for a lot of people, so it'll be interesting to see just how good it is. Just got our first viewpoint of Smoo Cave from at the top here, and it's looking pretty epic. Should we go down onto that, Pip?
Yeah, it looks cool.
We're now just on our way to the hidden waterfall apparently in Smoo Cave. So we're just heading through now over these wooden walkways and bridges. It's really quite creepy. You can... Oh! Come on then, up you get! Oh! It's really quite creepy. It literally feels like we're on Pirates of the Caribbean. That's probably what it feels like. One of the caves where they find all the treasure. So yeah, it's really cool.
And look at that. That is impressive. What do we think, guys? What do we think?
Good!
Yeah! Ooh, ooh.
cool. So this is Smoo Cave, and this is free. It's free to actually get to this point. They do have tours which can take you further into the cave, but look at that. That's wicked. Yeah, great place that. Definitely recommend it. Free parking up the top, toilets. Cave itself is fantastic, and then you've got, see just there, little remains, a little old fisherman's hut and the old fisherman's winch down on the shore where they used to bring the old fishing boats up. So did a little litter pick while we were there, and I only did it so I get out carrying Ted back up the stairs.
Thought I'd just quickly show you where we spent the night last night. We were at Lockgrove Viewpoint, which is where we are now. There's not much of a view this morning because we've woken up and it's pretty foggy, but you'll see that the van is parked behind me just there. We didn't have the best night's sleep. We're quite exposed here, like very exposed. The wind's picked up, and so we had to get the keep the pop top down. Piper and Jack came in with me again last night, and Richard was on the floor, so I think Richard had the better end of the deal because he didn't have to squeeze in with Piper, who just gives me no space. So I've woken up all achy this morning. Yeah, so this is where we are, guys. It is beautiful. There is a little viewpoint, there's a little path just there, so I'm just about to whip Charlie out. We've done a bit of schoolwork this morning. The boys have been playing, learning about the oceans and that sort of stuff. And then Richard's going to figure out where we're staying tonight because I think we need services. We're just currently questioning all of our life choices right now. This weather is disgusting. It's really bad. We stopped to do services. So yeah, we've got to have the back door of the van open as well while it's raining and it's windy and filling up with water, and Richard's got to do the toilet. This is the less glamorous side of travelling, guys. We're having fun! So yesterday ended up being a total washout, which meant that we didn't really do much apart from head to our next park up, which is here in Dunnet Bay. It was a stormy night. We had the evening it was 48 miles per hour winds up until like 10 o'clock last night, so it settled down, so it was all right through the night. But yeah, we've woken up, we've headed down to the actual beach here this morning. It is beautiful. Sun is just popping out, but there's no rain and it's not cold, so it's absolutely lovely. Yeah, so we've just come down just to have a little walk. I think we've got quite a busy day planned today, so we're just going to spend a little bit of time on this beach before moving on. Watch out, Pip! Right, so we've just been looking on the beach for shells and rubbish because we're picking up rubbish. But I just come across this thing. I don't even want to touch it. I don't know what it is. Actually, I've come across two of these. But this here, I don't know if you can see it, and it's got like lines on the back. It looks like, not that, Jack, looks like a shell, but I don't actually have a clue what sort of thing that is. So if anyone knows what that is, tell us in the comments because I'm really interested. So today we've come to the most northerly point of mainland Britain. You might be able to see the marker just behind me there, and it's Dunnet Head. Now, we thought it was John O'Groats. We always just assumed, you got Land's End to John O'Groats, but that is not in fact the case, and this is the most northern point of mainland Britain. John O'Groats, I think, has the reputation because it's the most northerly
I thought it was John
village.
O'Groats.
Yeah, I did too, and I think a lot of people probably do, but I think it's the most northerly village.
Most northerly village.
Yeah. So we're going to go there as well, but we're just going to have a little look here. There's a lighthouse, but I think it's private, so we're just going to go and see some of the views.
lines all the way out here.
But that's the Orkney Islands over there, isn't it?
Yeah, that's the Orkney Islands, and I think, I'm not 100%, you can see a sea stack just about poking up.
Oh yeah.
Miles over there. I'll tell you what, it's bitterly cold today.
It's cold, my hands are freezing.
Mine too, on my feet.
It is absolutely freezing. This is the first time I've sort of felt, oh, winter's
on the way.
Winter is coming in.
Gloves on.
Let's head south.
Oh, that's all we can do, baby.
It is all we can. Well, yeah, it is. We can go to the Orkney Islands.
No, definitely not.
Well, that is us now leaving the most northerly point of mainland Britain. Just a couple of months ago, you might remember if you saw that vlog, but we reached the top of mainland Europe, Nordkapp in Norway, and we're now going to be heading south to hopefully better weather, possibly.
Hopeful.
We're hopeful of better weather,
get better, right?
but we are going to be continuously heading south until we reach the most southerly point of mainland Europe, which is the very bottom of Spain. So hopefully that's to look forward to. Hopefully we can get out on the beach. We're probably a bit sick of the cold weather now.
Yeah.
So let's start seeking out the warmth.
It's a little bit warmer. It's not going to be the warmest down in Spain in January, February, but it's got to be the warmest place there is in Europe.
It'll be better than up here, that's for sure.
Yeah, it'll be so much better.
Yeah. So we're going to be heading to John O'Groats now, and then we're going to just continue heading south through Scotland, northern England, Wales, down south, and then we'll be in early January catching the ferry over to France, where we're going to be travelling all the way down to Spain. So that's our plan.
Look at those waves! Oh my gosh! Whoa!
I told you I saw some pretty good.
Holy moly, and here we are! These are like the biggest waves I've possibly ever seen. They're so incredible, just crashing in. The kids have really enjoyed just watching them crash against the wall there. Oh, last one up's a rotten egg. All right, gotta go.
Little one.
So we've just been into a couple of the touristy shops here at John O'Groats. And what did you pick up? What actually are they? Mini Nessie shortbreads.
Can I have one of those?
I'm already stuffing my face.
Can I have one?
Come on, babe, tell us how good they are. They're nice,
good.
kids. Yeah. And where's
But they are walkers, so you can find them anywhere.
Yeah, that's true. What else did you get? You got something else? Have a look. We've got Orkney vanilla fudge. That sounds good. And then I've treated myself to a nice latte.
Yeah.
So yeah, lunchtime.
Well, I'm not sure how well you're going to hear me. We've come out here to the Dunnet Point just near John O'Groats to have a look at the sea stacks. It's a bit windy out and there's a bit of band of rain coming in. So me and Pip are just doing it by ourselves with Charlie, of course. It's not long, it's about a 15-minute walk to the viewpoint. We can already see it ahead of us. Looks pretty cool. So hopefully we'll miss the rain, but we never know.
I can't see the viewpoint.
But right, we made it to the sea stacks just behind us. We didn't escape the weather though, did we, Pip?
No.
No, it is raining and it is very, very windy. But they're really wicked, aren't they?
Yeah.
Yeah, so they stick up very high. I'm not sure how high. The waves are incredible. You love the waves, don't you?
Yeah.
Yeah, and you're asking the question, what is the foam? Ooh. Yeah, I'm not sure. Your hair's going in my mouth. But they're really, really cool. Definitely come out here. I'm going to put the camera away now because it's getting soaked.
As we start our journey south, the rain and high winds are set to continue for at least the next 5 to 7 days. So with this in mind, we have made the decision to leave the green rolling hills of the East Coast and finish our NC500 journey here, to make our way to Edinburgh for a well-deserved city break. Thanks for watching, and do leave any questions about the NC500 in the comments section below. And don't forget to click subscribe to keep up with our full-time van life journey.